Back to another video. So today we're back Pixel Gun. So we're back in Pixel Gun and we're pirates right now. Oh my goodness. And we're pirates in this game right now, and this guy just killed me. I gotta get my revenge. So where's my revenge? Whoa! Oh my gosh. Oh, there's this. Oh, victory. Now it's the time for our victory. Perfect. Ooh, Advent report. No. Yeah, let's go to battle in the game. Boom. Okay, so let's go here and get that boy. Hello. Whoa. I think I'm gonna die. Oh. Yeah. I'm gonna get him next time. So yeah, so I don't think. Oh, there's an island right there. Oh, what? Still you again? Please leave me alone, dude. Okay, so hunter's right here. Oh my gosh, I'm so bad at this. Okay, so let's go. Let's go here. Where is he? Dude, only. Okay, so let's be in settings to be so we're gonna check slow or fast. Let's just be this fast. Okay, so oh my gosh, who's just shooting? Okay, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I think I'm gonna die, dude. No, wait, what? Okay, so let's go. Guys, remember Fusion Droid. Guys, who you actually guys know who's Fusion Droid, guys. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my vids and also Fusion Droid. Make a like on this video, and I just got my revenge. That's so cool. So let's go and oh my gosh. So you gotta get that dude right there. Who's shooting me? No! Dude, you gotta chill, bro. All of you have to chill. Chill. Oh my gosh. Oh, what is going on, bro? Okay, get that dude right there. Because we got him. No, we just need to. Who's doing flames stuff? Where is he? Huh? Where are you? I gotta find this dude. I gotta find this novice. Okay, where is it? Oh my gosh! Right there? What was that? What was that, dude? I can't believe. What was actually? Okay, so I think this is a good hiding spot. We're pirates. Arr, scurvy pirates. Give me your gold, man. Give me your gold. I'm a pirate with no hands. Haha. What are... Someone's in flames. Dude, someone's in flames. So, there's something right here. Dude, there's a bunch of them. Oh my god, that dude just killed himself. I'm taking poop on these sharks. Whoa, I can parkour there. Oh my gosh! Oh my god. Oh, dude, please. Oh, my revenge. I got my revenge. Can he have my revenge? Dude, this shark tries to kill me. Ooh, victory. So how many money do we get? Okay, so we gotta go somewhere else. Like, where is it? Holy junk. Let's go. Let's go. Woo! Oh, dude. Oh, you gotta get my revenge on you. Wait, I don't think that's the person that I just. I don't think that's the person, dude. Maybe it's him, or maybe it's not. Maybe it's him, maybe it's not him. Oh my gosh! Did I just fall down? Oh, who was that? Who was that, dude? So let's go here. Check this out, bro. Okay. So, Fusion Droid, please add me to the wall, cause you. Okay, okay, you gotta be kidding. I thought that's Fusion Droid. You gotta be kidding. Ah! Oh my gosh, dude, it's gonna be a tie, bro. No, it's a tie. You gotta hide, dude. You gotta hide. You gotta hide. They can't do this. No, please leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. You can't burn down. Please leave me alone. I'm just lonely and sad. Oh. Okay. Get them. Revenge. Oh, oh, yeah. Oh, no. Dude, you gotta be kidding, dude. Dude, oh my gosh. Oh, what did you do? Okay, get him instead. Let me just get him. I think we have to hide here, guys. I think we need just to hide here, because I'm gonna bang the shovel. Bang, point, bang this shovel, and then a bang, and then throw a grenade, and then bang that grenade, and then. Okay, so let's go now. Right. Let's see. Oh my gosh, this is short. Boom! Oh my god! Dude, no. I shouldn't die. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna die. You gotta hide, dude. Dude, we gotta hide so no one will kill us. No one will kill us, guys, if we're hiding here. No one will kill us if we're hiding here. Gotta find somewhere and take this. What is that? Gotta get this, dude. Gotta get pop this fool. Okay, gotta pop a fool. We gotta pop a fool right now. Ugh. Oh my gosh. Dude, I think so. Never die. Never. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, boys, we got it. Oh, it's a draw? Whoa. Okay. That wasn't a victory. So I didn't get money on that one. Hello, I'm a pirate with no skin. I'm a pirate. Or I am the captain. You fool. Okay, I'm the captain now. Please run. Oh, you dummy. I gotcha. Oh my god. Get him. Come on. Dude, I'm dying, bro. I'm dying. We gotta get in here. Oh my gosh, we're dying. We gotta hide. Oh yeah, what is that? Whoa, that scared me. What is that? It's a Lobo. Oh. Okay, so out of ammo, you gotta be You serious? I just gotta use this instead. Unless I get this pistol. Okay, so let's go here. Okay, so we gotta get that health bar. Something, cause I'm dying. Whoa. So let's go now to here. I can't be defeated. Okay, so we gotta heal. So we got a skeleton right now. I'm shooting the skeleton in the eye. Boom! I'll shoot the skeleton's head. Ah! Okay, and boom. Oh gosh, it didn't work at all. That was stupid. Boom! Boom! And a boom! Boom! Okay, hit him. Boom! Oh gosh, out of ammo? You gotta be serious. Okay, so you gotta be serious. We're out of ammos. Dude, gotta run. Gotta run. We're actually out of ammo, so you gotta be careful. Guys, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit that like button. It helps me a lot, and yeah. So, we're doing something right now. And who is this? Santa Claus? Hey, there's a bat attacking me. Actually, it's a bat. I just killed the bat. No! Oh, man. I'm so sad. No. Oh. Hey guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, smash that like button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, everybody. I love you guys. Bye guys. I'll see you in the next one. I'll upload tomorrow a new one. So peace out, everybody. Bye bye.